All right, this is the video I meant to show you earlier and ended up grabbing the wrong paper, so I apologize for that. This is on the Reteach. You work this worksheet out, and then I allow you to retake the test. But I wanted to show you the answers, just in case you're having trouble with that. And I'm not going to write them all down, so I'm trying to take up a little less of your time. Let me just go through each one. Hopefully you can see it on problem one. It's how much energy is to melt. So you're melting ice. You get 45 grams of ice at 0 degrees. 334 joules per gram gives you 15,000 joules. On number two, you're raising water. So you have MC delta T, 375 times 4.184 times 65 grams gives you 102,000 joules. On number three, Q equals MH of F, heat of fusion. You can see the numbers there, 75 times the heat of fusion that was for copper. Go back up your table, see it's 207. So you get 15,500. You want to vaporize water, so 2260 times 275 gives you 622,000. Number five, 450 grams of water. And freeze is 150,000. Whoops, I didn't put joules there, but it's joules afterwards. I can't fuss at you about units, right? Q is MC delta T. Again, this is for copper. And you can see 90,100 joules. And I'm just going to make this a little plainer for number seven. I'm moving it too much. Q equals MC delta T. And you see 1750 grams, 4.184, 70 degrees. You get 513,000. And the last one, then you're trying to cool your soda off. So 2,000 grams, 4.184 joules per gram. And you change it 23 degrees, you get 192,000. So that's how you do those. Now, if you're working on the first part, on the, and again, a curve, kind of changed up the answers a little bit. So I said, what's happening from E to D? There you have the vapor condensing. From D to C, the liquid is cooling. C to B, the liquid is freezing. And B to A, the solid is cooling. And I put A and below, the solid is still cooling. The solid is going to continue to cool as long as you take the temperature down. So which area is kinetic energy the highest? E and beyond. Remember, it's got higher energy, so it's going to have higher kinetic energy, higher temperature to measure that energy. Is going from A to E an endothermic or exothermic? It's endothermic. You're adding energy into it. Is going from E to A exothermic or endothermic? Well, it's going to be exo. Heat is being released. Okay, let me bring this in a little closer. Is the melting of ice cream endothermic or exothermic? It's endo. Water is going in, or excuse me, heat is going into it. And is the freezing of water exothermic or endothermic? Exo. Heat is being removed. It's releasing heat. So it's exothermic. And is the compound above in the graph water? Well, water melts at 0 degrees. Freezes at 0 degrees, boils and condenses at 100 degrees. You can see the temperature in this one like 65 and 140. So no, it's not water. So again, you do these problems and you just let me know. Then I'll be able to get you the code to do the test. A couple students have taken that retest, and except for some significant digits, they are doing okay on it. So again, it's entirely up to you.